Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open your TikTok application and you are logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see three-line icon. You need to tap over there. Now here you can see the option settings and privacy. You need to tap over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option content preferences just below activity center. Tap over there. Now here at the second you can see that the restricted mode is on. You need to tap over there. Now all you need to do is tap on turn off option. Before turning off, you need to enter the passcode that you have set earlier. Now enter your passcode. Now tap on next. And you can now see that the restricted mode has been turned off. And this is how you turn off restricted mode on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.